小朋友，我叫 Bella，
我叫耶利啊。今日我哋想同大家分享嘅呢本書咧，就叫做《Giraffe and the Rain》by Crisel Consunji and Leon Lollipop.
Giraffe and the bear.
With rain. Giraffe found a seat on a sunny day. Went out with snow to go plant and play. Dig, 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 put the seed into the hole. Wait, wait, wait till it grows, grows, grows. But then golden sun hid behind the clouds. Rain started falling and falling down. Quick, said Giraffe, let's save the seed from this awful rain. Howling and blowing, raining and pouring, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Raining and pouring, howling and blowing, ooh, ooh, ooh. Giraffe tried so hard to protect the little seed. I give up, said Giraffe. This seed will never become a plant. Dear Giraffe, it's all right to cry. The rain will stop someday, you will get by. Snail said, who knows? Maybe something good will come out of this rain. And then golden sun dried the rain away. What do you think happened on that day? Mama said, hey Giraffe, look at your plant. After the rain, sun will shine on the land. You thought the rain would wash out the seed, but both sun and rain are what you need.